In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best body cameras in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The boblav PD70 delivers a high-speed video recording, making it a versatile solution for law enforcement and leisure use. The portable 1296p body-worn camera provides a stable video frame rate per second. It also includes a 2-inch LCD for HD viewing anytime you want to recap previously stored videos. This camera features a high-intensity infrared LED for night vision, with face detection up to 30 feet away in shallow light. This allows you to capture detailed information around you at night. The boblav PD70 also has an impressively wide view angle of 170 degrees for a comfortable frontal field with pure image stability. The body camera boasts a built-in Wi-Fi system with a downloadable Wi-Fi app developed by boblav. Due to this, the camera delivers a seamless experience while viewing videos on the app. The device boasts an impressive 5 hours of recording time and 3 hours of fast charging. You can connect it to a power bank to boost the recording time. Number 4. You are looking for something with compact dimensions and sleek design. Patrolmaster 1296p can become the best body cam for you. It comes with a 2-inch built-in LCD display and has one button for performing basic operations. Using this camera, you can record footage and sound, take photos, change resolution image size in a very quick way. The high-intensity infrared LEDs allow recording clear footage, while the face detection feature shows amazing results at the distance of up to 33 feet in poor light. The camera is supplied with a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery that allows you to work for 40 hours or record 1080p footage for 18 hours uninterruptedly. The camera is designed to withstand severe weather conditions, which makes it an ideal device for security guards and police officers. Number 3. The Insta360 GO is a state-of-the-art body camera, which is a great pick for recording high-quality footage. This is made possible by the outstanding 1440p resolution and a powerful 1x2.3-inch image sensor. It comes packed with the flow state image stabilization algorithm technology, an absolute problem solver in image stabilization and horizon leveling during travel and sports activities. The camera's sleek and thumb-sized design includes a magnetic-in-the-box accessory that helps you mount the Insta360 GO anywhere and shoot completely hands-free. The body camera comes with a multi-purpose charge case, which includes a pocket-sized case that serves as a charger that helps extend your battery life by 150 minutes. The case also serves as a remote control. The camera is relatively light, weighing less than 0.06 pounds, making it a comfortable fit on your clothing. This camera is waterproof, so you can record your film underwater without worrying about water damage. Number 2. The Mayfly is convenient and user-friendly, making it one of the best security gadgets. This surveillance-based device is best suited for a police officer, security guard, or janitor in your upcoming shift. It comes with a built-in GPS to enable you to track GPS movement on the GPS player. It is a full HD body-worn camera with a resolution of 2304 by 1296 at 30 fps, making it suitable for capturing video footage even when you are walking fast or running. This shows its high capability in delivering image stability throughout the recording period. It also comes with a 2-inch LCD monitor that enables you to watch back previous recordings instantly. The body camera includes an extra safety feature that allows you to set a password to prevent data loss through deletion or theft. A 64 GB built-in storage means there will be plenty of space to store upcoming video and audio footage for future reference. The body cam is a 3200 mAh polymer battery that provides up to 10 hours of recording without having to worry about your device going off. Number 1. The Transcend Drive Pro Body 30 is a reliable choice for indoor and outdoor use as it is packed with advanced features. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second, FPS, the body camera can capture and record 1080 Full HD videos in an impressively fluid manner. A massive 64 GB of internal storage is available to store your recorded video and audio files. It boasts a fantastic night vision sensor powered by infrared LEDs and image enhancement technologies. This feature, coupled with a 130-degree field of view, gives you an impressive recording range while using the device at night. A high-sensitivity Starbus image sensor and a 360-degree rotating clip fine-tune your recording experience with ease. This body camera is reliable, with its built-in camera offering up to 12 hours of recording time. It also has an IP67 rating, a weatherproof rating, meaning it can withstand snow and water. It is also shock-resistant, so it can withstand some accidental knocks and drops. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.